For the agents that like to be out of the office and still making all their calls, you'll now be able to go into the tasks, see what actions you have for the day, and select the print task option. This will then give you access to a PDF to print off your tasks for the day so that you can go out on the road, complete these actions, take notes, and then come back to your system and update these as required. You'll also have access to print a task printout by going to the reports area and using the due tasks report option. You'll be able to select your name from the list and print tasks not just for a day, but maybe for the whole week. Hit the generate report option to give you all of your actions due for that particular date range. To print this, use the print option located at the top right, or to download it, you'll be able to use the download option next to that.